Hello everyone, please welcome and join Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you how to make macOS High Sierra bootable disk drive or pen drive, USB drive, how to make it in easy and the simplest and efficient way. There will be only two commands which you need to follow and your disk will be done in 4 to 5 minutes. I'm going to list the commands under my description, so please check it out. You just need to copy and paste, and please follow the video along, and I'm going to show it to you on my screen. And now let's go to our screen to make a bootable USB drive for your Mac computer. So first we're going to open the application store, and once we are here, I'll scroll up and it says macOS High Sierra. So we're going to open it. As you see, it's started to downloading and it's saying 9 minutes left. New version 10.13.4. So it's 1 minute left downloading. If we look at under our application folder, on the second page it's downloading. This is 5.22 gig. It's a big file. So we go back. It's almost done. It's calculating. We are done. And if we look at under application folder, it says install macOS High Sierra. I'm not going to continue. I'm going to quit the installation and we're going to close the application folder. If we go on the application launchpad and we see it's here, the next step will be we need to plug in the USB, which is a 16 gig, and we're going to open from the search bar the disk utility folder, and this is our 16 gig, and the first thing we're going to do, we're going to raise it. And when we're going to raise it, and this is important, we're going to put the name MyVolume, and we're going to keep extender general, and we're going to say erase, and it will start erasing. And as you see, it's done and MyVolume has been created. Now we're going to exit disk utility and we're going to open the terminal command. So once the terminal window opens, we're going to put this command and we're going to hit enter. So please copy and paste. Now we're going to enter the second command, and please to check my description below for these commands. You just need to copy and paste, and we're going to hit enter, and it will prompt you for the password. And this password is not for iCloud or for any other application. This is for your computer. Hit enter. As I entered, and you see that it says sorry, try again. So I entered the password and now it's saying ready to start, and we need to press Y to continue. And it's going to erase the disk. As you've seen on the desktop, the disk has been. So as soon as it started erasing, and the MyVolume disk was disappeared, and then it came back again, and now it changed the name to install macOS High Sierra, and it started copying file to disk. Altogether, it took 4 minutes. It says copy complete, making disk bootable, copying boot files, copy complete, and done. And now we're going to exit and we're going to quit the terminal command, and now our disk is ready. So now we took out the USB drive. This is how it's easy and simple to make USB drive. And this USB drive, you can take it to any of your Mac computer. Mac Air, MacBook, Mac Mini, Mac Pro, iMac, whatever computer you have, you just plug in this USB drive and you're going to have the latest software on your computer, which is macOS High Sierra 10.13.4. So I hope this video is going to help you out, and if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps. And I'm going to see you soon with a new video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.